I want to just show you guys this while I was actually using it because grease fittings are one of those things you don't think about until you actually need one. This is the PETOX grease fitting kit and it comes with a ton of different sizes and styles. So straight fittings, 45 degree, 90 degree, metric, and standard. It's basically everything you'd ever need in one box. I'm replacing a fitting right now, and instead of trying to hunt one down at the store, I just opened this case and grabbed the exact size I needed. The threads fit cleanly and it screws in easily without forcing it. That's important because cross-threading these is a pain. Once it's in, I hooked up the grease gun and started pumping. You can see the grease flowing right through, which tells you the fitting is sealing properly and it's doing its job. Now I'm starting to run out of grease here, as you can tell, but what I like is having the angle options. Sometimes straight fittings work, sometimes you need a 90 degree just to even reach it. Having those in the kit saves a lot of frustration. The zinc-plated steel feels solid, these don't feel flimsy or cheap, and they're meant to handle grease and pressure without wearing out quickly. This is one of those kits that's perfect for tractors, mowers, ATVs, farm equipment, trailers, basically anything with grease points. We were sent this to test out, and overall this is one of those nice to have until you really need it kits. If you do your own maintenance, having this on hand saves time, trips to the store, and a ton of hassle.